Today, we're making fluffy pancakes with
Douse baking powder.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Zoe's Bright Life.
We need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water,
2 eggs,
melted butter or margarine, 3 tablespoons
of brown sugar,
3 tablespoons of powdered milk, and vanilla extract. Begin!
Okay.
Finish.
Okay. Thank you, Mommy. Decorate.
Let's mix.
That one. Oh, the water! They're popping!
Mix the flour and sugar. Wait. Sugar. We also need a pinch of salt.
Salt?
A pinch of salt. Salt.
So salty. Oh.
And the powdered milk. Separate the egg whites from the egg yolk.
Guys, we don't need this. We just need this. Wow, a lot of egg yolk. Huh? Yes. Sure.
Come on, Zoe.
Okay. Can I do that?
Mix it.
Can I do that?
Careful. Beat the egg whites until it forms stiff peaks. Stiff peaks. Yan.
All done.
This one is all done too. Thanks for mixing, Zoe. Going to add this in our pancake mixture. Wait. Let Mama.
What happened?
Carefully mix it so that you won't pop all the bubbles so that your pancake will be fluffy.
Oh, so fluffy like that.
This is optional.
Yeah.
Like a tablespoon of melted butter.
Start cooking. What? Yummy. Thanks you, mommy. Can you like this?
It's fluffy.
Yeah, it is fluffy. You made it.
Yes.
Yes.
Yum.
It's tasting time. Is this mine?
Yes.
That's hot.
It's not hot.
Oh. Together to eat. Ah.
Yummy?
Yeah. I like pancakes because I like it.
No joke, this is so fluffy.
No.
It's better than the store-bought pancakes.
Like and subscribe.